Hey everybody, it's Brian. Today I want to talk about fertilizing banana plants. Now this is my preferred banana fertilizer. I buy this on Amazon. It is a little bit expensive for a bag, but one bag lasts me 2 years. So it costs about 15 bucks a year to actually use this fertilizer for me in my yard. This works for Musa Basjoos. It also works for any other types of banana plants that you might have. Now, before I started using this fertilizer, my banana plants topped out at about 10 feet tall. But since I started using the fertilizer in combination with the other techniques that I've shown you on how I wrap and do the other maintenance, I've got my banana plants last year up to 16 feet tall, and we're pushing for even higher in the coming year here. Now, there's two different ways that I apply this fertilizer. One way that I do it is just following the directions, which means diluting the fertilizer in water. Although you can see that I'm not super strict in my measuring, I dump a little bit in, which is about the right amount for the size of container that I have. I put the fertilizer in and then I just add the water and get that fertilizer diluted. Then it's just a matter of pouring the water on the ground around the plants, making sure to get each plant, and I'm trying not to put the fertilizer on the plant itself, trying to put it on the actual dirt. Now I keep about 12 mature plants in this space, and I use about 2 gallons for each application once a week during the spring and summer when these things are really growing, and then once a month in the fall and winter. Now, the other way that I apply this fertilizer is just to sprinkle small amounts straight onto the dirt. I'll take a small pinch out of the bag and spread it around the dirt around the base of each plant. And then after I'm done doing that, I will either water the fertilizer in, or if I'm applying it on a day where it's raining or it is forecast to rain that day, I'll just let Mother Nature do her thing and just put the fertilizer down, and that's it. So really basic, really simple. Do this to your banana plants. You will get them bigger than you've ever seen them. Make sure to fertilize, water, get them good sun, and you can grow some really giant Musa Basjoos and other banana plants in your yard. Any questions, drop them down below in the comments. I will be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already done that, so that you can learn more about growing tropical and subtropical plants in your cold weather environments. Happy growing.